Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SmartSheet with AI for task management. Easy tutorial step. Open your SmartSheet application on your computer. Log into your account with your credentials. Create a new sheet by clicking the plus icon. Choose a blank sheet or a template that suits your task management needs. Once the sheet is created, set up your columns. In the first column, label it as task name. In the second column, label it assigned to. In the third column, label it due date. For the fourth column, label it status. Optionally, you can add columns for assign team members to each task in the assigned to column. Set deadlines by entering dates in the due date column. Update the status column as tasks progress. Next, we will enable AI features in SmartSheet. Navigate to the Home tab and click on Automation. Select Create Workflow to set up task reminders or updates. Use the AI suggestions to automate routine updates or task assignments. For advanced functionality, consider integrating SmartSheet with other AI tools. Go to the Integrations option to explore supported platforms. Choose an AI tool that fits your task management needs. Follow the prompts to connect SmartSheet with your selected AI tool. Customize the integration settings according to your workflow. Now, review your sheet to ensure everything is set up correctly. Utilize the SmartSheet dashboard to visualize your tasks. Monitor progress using built-in reporting features. Refine your task management process as needed based on team feedback. You are now ready to manage tasks more effectively using SmartSheet and AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.